Hey guys. Hi guys. It's okay. Yes. I'm sorry if I'm scary. Yes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm scary. Yeah, hang on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stay there. Yes. This is your water dish. Yes. That's where the eggs were at that I just took out of there yesterday. Today. I don't even think straight. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. It's okay. One perch. Yes. Hey, guys. What are you guys doing? Hey. Yes. We'll get some toys and some more perches in here for you, okay? Yes. Two of these are the parents to those splayed leg babies. And two other babies in here. I have no idea who's who. From what I understand, the dark one is the dad. That's the best I know. Hi, sweetie. I see you there. Yes. Yes. Life will get better, I promise, kids. Yes, I'm so sorry.